Yes, students, in this period, I am going to teach you about new method for solving an equation. In previous exercise, I had solved some problems by substitution method. Now, there is another method for finding the values of x and y by elimination method. The example 11 of this exercise. Example. In example 11, the question is the ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manage to save rupees 2000 per month, find their monthly income. Here, let us denote the incomes of the two persons by 9x and 7x. Let the incomes of the two persons be, here दो व्यक्तियों की आमदनी का अनुपात 9:7 है और उनके खर्च का अनुपात 4:3 है। यदि दोनों में प्रत्येक 2000 रुपये पर मंथ बचाते हैं तो फाइंड देयर मंथली इनकम्स, तो उनकी मासिक आमदनी क्या है। टू सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम, लेट अस सपोज दैट द इनकम्स ऑफ द टू पर्सन्स बी 9x and 7x. Let the incomes of two persons be rupees 9x and 7x respectively. Then and their expenditures be 3x, 4x, 4y and 3y. Be 4y, be rupees 4y and 3y, rupees 3y. Let the incomes of two persons be rupees 9x and 7x respectively, and their expenditures be rupees 4y and 3y. Then according to question, they save rupees 2000 per month. So income minus expenditure is equal to saving. So according to question, we can write 9x minus 4y. 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000 according to first condition. 9x minus 4y is equal to 2000 and 7x minus 3y. 7x minus 3y is equal to given 2000 rupees. Here we see that elimination method To solve this problem by elimination method, we we uh, make equal coefficient of x in both equations. We multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Multiplying equation 1 by 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4 and equation 2 by 4 and subtracting by 4. If we multiplying equation 1 by 3, because here in equation 1 coefficient of 4 is equal to 4, coefficient of y is equal to 4, and in equation number 2 coefficient of y is equal to 3. So to make equal we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Multiplying 1 by 3, we have 27x minus 12y is equal to 6,000, and if we multiply equation 2 by 4, we have 28x minus 12y is equal to 8,000. Let it be equation 3 and 4. Now subtracting equation 4 from 3. Now subtracting 4 from 3, we have 27x minus 12y is equal to 6,000, and 28x minus 12y is equal to 8,000. On subtracting, minus plus 12y minus 12y, it can say minus x is equal to minus 2,000. Yeah, x is equal to 2,000. X means income of first person be 2,000 rupees. Substituting this value, in equation 4, substituting this value in value of x in equation 1, question 1 we have 9 into 2,000 9 into 2,000 minus 4y is equal to 2000 या 18,000 minus 4y is equal to 2000 side chain $18,000 minus 2000 is equal to 4y या 16,000 is equal to 4y या y is equal to 16,000 by 4 is equal to 4,000. Hence the value of x is equal to 2000 and y is equal to 400. So the solution of the equation is 2000 of 400. Therefore, their monthly income of the persons are monthly income बराबर monthly income is equal to 9x बराबर 9 into value of x is 2000 is equal to 18,000 rupees and 7x बराबर 9x and 7x is equal to 7 into 2000 is equal to rupees 14,000. Which the income of the two persons are 18,000 and 14,000. Hence monthly incomes is equal to बराबर 18,000 and 14,000. 18,000 and 14,000. Again, I am going to clear. Two persons have income 9:7. The ratio of incomes of two persons is 9:7 and the ratio of their expenditures is 4:3. If each of them manage to save rupees 2,000 per month, find their monthly income. Let the monthly income of two persons be rupees 9x and 7x and their expenditures be 4y and 3y. So income minus expenditure is equal to saving. So 9x minus 4y बराबर 2000 and again 7x minus 3y. Income of second person be 7x and their expenditures is 3y. So 7x minus 3y बराबर 2000. By solving it elimination method, we make equal the coefficient of x and y in both equation of either x or y in both of the equation. So we multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 4 because in equation number 1 coefficient of y is equal to 4 minus 4 and in equation 2 coefficient of y is equal to minus 3. So to make equal coefficient of y in both equations we multiply by 3 and equation 2 by 4. Then we have multiplying by 3 we have 27x minus 3 4 या 12y is equal to 3 2 या 6,000 and and equation 2 by 4, 28x minus 12y is equal to 8000. Let it be equation 3 and 4. Now subtracting 4 from 3, 4 from equation 3, we have 27x minus 12y is equal to 6000, 28x minus 12y is equal to 8000. On subtracting, we have minus x is equal to minus 2000, therefore x बराबर 2000. Hence the income of first person, hence the value of x is equal to 2000. Now substituting this value of x in equation number 1, x के इस मान को समीकरण 1 में रखने पर 9x 9 into 2000 minus 4y is equal to 2000 या 18000 minus 4y is equal to 2000 या 18000 minus 2000 is equal to 4y या 16000 is equal to 4y या y बराबर 16000 by 4 dividing we get 4000. Hence monthly income of first person be 9x is equal to 9 into value of x बराबर 2000. So the income of first person be 18,000 rupees and the income of second person be 7x is equal to 7 into 2000 बराबर 14,000 rupees. Hence the incomes of two persons is equal to 18,000 and 14,000. Now one more example. I am going to solve example 13 of this exercise 3.4. Using this method, elimination method, you can try the rest problem of this exercise, and after that I will start exercise 3.4 in next day. Thank you.